Alright, kia ora everyone. So I want to give you a little tutorial here how I'm getting the shot of Wainui Falls right there. Hey Lee, how you doing?
Hi.
So what I'm doing here is I've set up the Hero6 on a tripod. Let me walk you around here. I put on here PolarPro filter. This is the ND32. So neutralizer here. And then the trick really beyond this is to run the whole thing via the GoPro app. I'm really after that milky shot, slowed down. So what I've actually done here, I'll show you some of my settings here, folks. So is I've got the shutter on auto, going raw. I put that EV comp, I put that all the way down. And this is one of the cool things about the Hero6. Check that out, it's actually showing me in the viewfinder here, the live view, what I will get. So I put that EV comp all the way down. I want that sharpness low. And then beyond that, we're going to control it with this, kind of lining up my shot, push click, and let it do its thing. And here we go. Actually, I probably should have cleaned that screen because it's covered in water. But let me show you that shot there. Boom, we have slowed that down. Raw daylight. We've got a cloudy day going on here, but it's perfect conditions for this. So yeah, gonna have a play around. I'm gonna climb down there and see if we can get a subject in the middle of this photo. Oh, that does not look nice.